Well, thank you for joining us. When it came to the severe weather before dawn this morning, the Wiregrass dodged a bullet, including the city of Two Rivers.
Indeed they did, but Geneva officials and business owners say the heavy rains did showcase a major issue the city has with chronic flash flooding. As Thursday morning severe weather moved into downtown Geneva, traditional low-lying, high water-prone areas quickly flooded. Underwater, it was hard to determine where the road and sidewalk was located. Laura Rhodes owns an antique shop here. Although the city has worked to alleviate high water issues, heavy rainfall within a short time creates flash flooding.
A lot of water out at the road, big mud puddles and all, and it's a little slick out there. I noticed on my sidewalk, but ain't nothing I can do about that today. But yeah, it's just we get a lot of rain. A lot of water accumulation.
For a number of businesses here in the Geneva downtown district, they say flooding is not new and something that they've been dealing with for a number of years.
Geneva Mayor David Hayes says the city has earmarked hundreds of thousands of local, state, and federal dollars over the last decade, working on chronic flood-prone areas.
Trying to fix things and make things better, but yeah, it did. We've had some rain, and it's not over a period of time. It's all at once, and when that happens, it makes a lot of the drains back up.
Yes, to be honest with you, I'm kind of used to it, but maybe things will. I know that our mayor is trying, and he is doing a very good job.
Mayor Hayes says the Thursday morning severe weather and the heavy rains from 2 weeks ago has given his road and bridge employees a clearer picture of where the flooding problems are coming from and hopefully how they can be permanently fixed. And by the way, Geneva Mayor Hayes says he'll be brainstorming with his road and bridge personnel, trying to come up with at least temporary solutions to alleviate those flood portions of the city of Two Rivers.